Coming back to Venice after almost 8 years, I wanted to stay within Venice where everything is walking distance. I found Papadopoli Hotel Venezia, which is part of the MGallery Collection. It is a 4-star boutique hotel along the Tolentini Canal and nestled inside the lush Papadopoli Gardens. It bleeds classic 18th century Venetian style with modern sophistication. I picked this hotel because it is close by everything you'd want to go to. Most importantly, close by the Venezia Santa Lucia train station, which is only about a 7-minute walk to catch our train the next day. Inside, the style is what I'd say very opulent and Venetian. Once you enter, you'd immediately see the Winter Garden restaurant that goes out to the gardens. I'm pretty sure this is where breakfast could be served if you do choose to book that. Here's a quick room tour. We booked the superior double room where you can either have one king-size bed or split into 2 beds. While checking in, the staff gave us the voucher for our welcome drinks at the bar, which you'll see later in this video. This is a perk for the core members from silver and above. To my surprise, we also got a little welcome gift, which I thought was a very nice touch. Next is the closet with hangers on the left side, and underneath there's 2 very soft slippers, and in the bag is the hairdryer. On the right there's more storage and also a safe. Next is the bathroom. On the left is the toilet and bidet. Above that is the towel rack with a few towels. Next is the rain shower with shampoo, conditioner, and lotion from Colti Milano. And by the sink there's more amenities like cotton pads and shower cap. And by the desk there's the hot water jug with mugs, and in the drawer underneath are instant coffee and tea bags. Right next to it is a complimentary bottle of water. Underneath the desk is the mini bar and the fridge with some drinks and snacks, which are of course additional. At night, after exploring, we went to the lounge bar and used our welcome drinks voucher. We both ordered cocktails and they also served some snacks on the side.
Some chips here.
Oh, amazing. Thank you. Thanks.
Some olives. Enjoy it.
Thank you so much. I hope this video helps in planning your next trip to Venice. I highly recommend staying here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.